Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here to share day 3 in scrapbooking December, which is basically all Christmas layouts, and I am starting off with a page maps sketch. It calls for 3 photos, a small one here and 2 other additional small ones. I'm going to use 3 photos and I'm going to cut them down to make them work. Now, will I cut them this small? I don't know. It also has what looks like pocket page tags and banner pieces back behind there, as well as 3 papers. There looks like a solid paper in the middle, a solid paper at the top, and then a pattern paper at the bottom. So I have gone through my stash. If you watch my video for my page kits, you know I pulled in 3 sheets of paper for this one, and 2 are Echo Park, these 2, and then this one is a Cartabella. And so I'm going to use these 3 along with, I went through and I pulled out some pocket page cards. This possibly will be my title, and then this is from the Felicity Jane kit this year. This is also from the Felicity Jane kit this year. This one is from a 3x4 pack of cards that I got. Oh, I don't remember the name of it. As are these. And then I have a couple back here. This one is a cut apart piece from a ephemera bit from a leftover ephemera pack. And then I have, this is from, this one is Felicity Jane this year, and this is from the grab bag, I believe. It may be from Felicity Jane this year too, but I'm not certain now. Now that I've pulled them in and pulled them out of where they're sorted at, it's hard to remember where they're from. So anyway, I'm going to do some fussy cutting. I'm going to cut down my photos. I'm going to pull in some more embellishments. And I'm going to get busy creating this layout. I hope you've been here the last couple of days. And I hope you plan to stay for the next, the rest of the month. I will have a layout every day, but I will upload this photo of the sketch. I'll try and upload it, and we'll see how that goes. Anyway, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, friends, I have layout number 3 done. Yeah, I'll remind you of the sketch. And then I'll show you what I created. Now this is still wet, so I have to be careful. The glue is anyway. So you see my center band here. I used that newsprint paper all along the back. Then I cut off a section of the red and a section of the Christmas trees and just layered on top of that. I used pocket page cards to go behind here. And actually this was a cut apart, or an ephemera piece that I cut into a tag shape, although when I put the flowers over the top of it, you really can't tell so much. I did fussy cut all 3 sets of flowers out of pocket page cards. I pulled in little pieces, little stars that I had previously cut out with my dies here and here. And then I pulled in some additional ephemera pieces and here. I added in this piece I cut in half. It was a longer piece. I cut it, well, not completely in half, but I cut a portion off to fit over here and then here, and then I put this gold deer down here because I wanted to spread the gold out. And then when I put these 2 stars up here and this one down here, I thought, okay, I was going to add a 3rd gold star up here. Just have this one because there's so much gold up here. I was just going to have the 1 gold star here, and then I was going to put another here, and then I was going to put a 3rd here. And then I thought, why not get these little stars out that have been in my stash for a long time. Now the gold ones have a beveled edge to them. They are not flat. So I don't know if you can tell from that laying on my hand, it is not perfectly flat, and so you had to put like a mass of glue underneath to get it to stick down. I thought about rolling up a glue dot and putting under there, and then I thought, no, I'll just use the glue. So anywho, these are, this is a cutout from a pocket page. Now remember, I told you I was going to use that for my title. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Well, I had a different one that I was going to use to back that, but I changed my mind. I pulled this one out. It actually had a sentiment on the back of it to go around here, and then I had a leftover gold doily that I put in behind there, and that's what sparked the whole gold for this layout, because I didn't want to just have a little bit of gold around the edge here without having it surrounding the layout. This is part of our holiday traditions or memories album, more so than just a Christmas layout, because this documents some of the ornaments that we've had over the years, like this little monkey. Let me see if I can get him up close for you to see. He is actually from a movie that my kids watched when they were very young, and so we've had him on every Christmas tree for probably 20 plus years. And part of having this little monkey on the tree is that we play hide and seek with him. So that's our story for him. This is one that I bought my husband a couple of years ago, and it's a monkey. I think a baboon or something. Anyway, she's in a cute little dress. Part of that story is my husband, for whatever reason, collects monkeys. They're scattered all throughout my house. And so I found that cute little monkey for him, and I bought that. And then this penguin is one that I actually found my younger son, when he was in high school. One of his nicknames was Penguin. And so I found that penguin, and I think he actually took that home. Every year I buy a couple of new ornaments geared towards the kids, my children and my grandchildren, and they are able to choose 2 ornaments every year to take off the tree and to take home with them to decorate. And so some years I hit it on the nose, other years not so much, but then, you know, they just keep recycling onto the tree the next year. I think I purchased a few ornaments last year for this year when they were on clearance, and I don't think I'm going to buy any more. I think I'm going to let them, because I have boxes and boxes and boxes of ornaments that I take down every year, and they don't all get put on the tree. You know, I have a ginormous tree, but they don't all make it onto the tree because I have so many. So I think rather than buy more this year, I'm going to let them choose from whatever the selection is on the tree this year, plus the ones that I got new last year, and then they can take those home. And maybe I'll do that for a couple of years in a row and see if I can wean down my ornament collection, because I have a ginormous ornament collection. Anyway, guys, on to documenting December, or not documenting December, scrapbooking December. So I'm doing a page every day. Make sure that you come back tomorrow to see the next layout. Anyway, I'll have close-ups at the end, and I will see you guys on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.